Everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 15th and we are going to take a look at Tesla's stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the stock chart and the patterns it creates. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Please, I beg you. Tesla, pretty boring day today, actually. All across the market. So Tesla closed at $599.44, down $18.25, down 2.95%. Post market, we are down $1.14. Just a quick look at the Nasdaq 100 technology sector. So this is a representation of 100 of the most important technology companies on the Nasdaq. So look at this here. So we just hit the top of a channel, and Nasdaq was down 0.83%. So Palantir, Tesla were also down along the way. So where does that leave us? So we still have our resistance at 624. So we touched it yesterday, but today we just caved in, and we have our support right here. The support that will be, if I have to give you a number, 585. If it's today, if it's tomorrow that the stock touches it, 585. If it's the day after, maybe 589. You get my drift. So basically, this is an ascending triangle. And I'm going to try to use this tool here to see if I can draw some nice things for you. So this is an ascending triangle. Oh, no, I cannot draw nice things for you. I should have rehearsed. Yes. Oh, look at this. Ooh. And then I think it disappears after a while. Yeah, look at that. So this is the ascending triangle. So we are inside this ascending triangle. So basically the stock is stuck. I like to see this. The stock is stuck here, stuck within there. And so it's very possible that we go back down to 585. Very possible. But then it's okay. You know, we have our support at 585. As I said, we also have our last resort support at 560. If it comes to that, I hope it will not, but if it comes to that, we have support at 560. But more importantly, we have this diagonal support here. And also remember, we have this big resistance. We have this big resistance right here. That is in play. Wow, this is really nice, this tool. Let's go to the and I can click done, I guess. Yes. So let's go to the hourly chart to see if we can gather anything. Well, basically this is the support that we had within the hourly chart. So during the first hour at 9:30, boom, we broke it. And then we've been descending ever since. Click, 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 click. So, and the stochastic is super down. DMI is turning over, and the MACD had already told us, well, I see some bullishness coming. But it's okay because, you know, we are stuck in these triangles here, and the support is very close at 585. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic down at 59. So 59. So weakening a little bit, of course. MACD still crossed over bullish, and DMI was getting a lot better. The DMI, the two lines were getting closer and closer, and now, of course, because of this, they are getting farther apart. But if we bounce on this, it's going to resume, and so I still think that it's possible. It's possible. I'm going to go green now. It's possible that we do something like this. Well, it's possible that we do something like this, and we break out eventually because the DMI is so close. DMI is so close to crossing over, and the DMI, in my opinion, is a very reliable indicator to show bigger trends, not huge trends, but nice trends. So the DMI is close to crossing over if Tesla can maintain some of its strength that it has had since mid-May, let's say. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you subscribe, you will see my videos every day in your feed. I do a Tesla and Palantir video every single day. We have a Discord server, we have a Patreon channel, and also a TradingView affiliate link. I read all of your comments. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.